best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I just woke up. I'm just looking outside right now, just enjoying the beautiful morning. I hope all you guys are doing absolutely amazing and fantastic. I have this bonnet on because I'm going to be washing out the temporary purple coloring clay that I put in my hair because I'm going to be getting my hair done. And then we are going to be going to the beach. I'm going boogie boarding for the first time. I'm super excited. I'm super stoked. I think I'm gonna do great. I mean, it doesn't seem that hard. I've seen a lot of people do it. I've watched some videos. I think I got this one. So I'll probably see you guys when I'm about to wash my hair. Purple that I put in my hair. I used the Mojang clay coloring, so it smells like men's cologne. But yeah, I used that and it came out like really easily. I'm about to put this cap on. So I put the cap on. I'm about to go sit under the dryer now.
I'll take a drive.
Hey guys, so I'm at the beach. I'm about to go boogie boarding, so let's get to it.
Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. The best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. You got me singing, way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, way oh.
Gosh, the cutest dogs just walked past us. Oh my gosh, they were like little babies too. Oh, that just made my day. Like, it really did.
You got me singing, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
Oh my gosh, I'm just having a blast out here. There's some guys out here, I'm not sure what it's called, but they're on a board, and then like that's the little flaggy thing that's pulling them. I'm not sure what it's called. I need to look it up, but it's really fun. That's the next thing I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be doing with that. So I'm back from the beach now. It was so much fun being able to experience boogie boarding. I used to see people doing it all the time when I was little, but I never tried it. But I did now, and I'm so happy I was able to share it with you all. And I'm super grateful and thankful to be able to go to the beach and stuff, and be able to get my hair done and get boba. If you like this video, go check out my channel and maybe you'll find some other videos that you like. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you. Bye!
I could be the best thing in your life.